Get up, sleepyhead. We're gonna be late.
What's the weather like today?
It's gonna be a hot one. Let's go, guys. Look who forgot to lock up the house.
Shh, you know we got that good.
Love you guys. Bye, Dad.
Hey Alexa, turn down the temperature by 2 degrees.
The AC is set to 74.
Stay connected with home security from Protect America. Speak with one of our security experts today about how you can enjoy the simplicity of connected home security.
Watch this, honey. Alexa, tell Protect America to on for say mode.
That's great, honey.